Friends and family have laid flowers at the scene of a high-speed Lamborghini crash at Wetherill Park. A 42-year-old father died in the terrifying accident, which was captured on security camera.
Out of control with a huge plume of smoke in its wake, the Lamborghini comes hurtling down Hassel Street, narrowly misses an oncoming car and then slams into a power pole. Shocked motorists rush to help the 42-year-old, who by then is trapped in his luxury sports car. These are the final moments of Western Sydney father George Canales, who just a couple of months ago had bought his dream car.
A massive explosion, 3 bangs in a row. I ran outside and it was a massive white cloud over the cars.
Devastated family and friends today left flowers at the scene. One writing, "George, you will never be forgotten. Rest in peace." Nearby workers say they tried to help. It's believed George was trying to overtake a car when he lost control. Witnesses say they saw the Lamborghini cross onto the wrong side of the road, where it collided with a number of other vehicles and then slammed into the pole.
A loud screeching noise and a crash, and I just came outside.
A split second that sadly cost the young father his life. Vicky Jardim, 9 News.